And Ethereum will just bought 53 billion Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, and also leave a like and subscribe because it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'm going to be implementing a like goal of 500 likes for this video, so if you guys can please hit that, that would be awesome. And then also, if you guys want to get a free stock with the first link in the description, go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 with the free stock, and you can invest in Shiba Inu Coin, as you can see here on Public. We're up 6% on the day here on Public, and obviously the price action has been good over the last day, but we're going to be going over technical analysis and then a bunch of different pieces of news in this video, so stick around to the end to see all that. But here we are on the etherscan.io. We can see that 20 hours ago a transaction was made for 53 billion Shib tokens. So what does this mean for Shib? This means that someone bought $2 million worth of Shiba Inu Coin. When he bought this, I believe it was worth about 1,850,000. So this guy just came up on a $150,000 bag just by buying on the dip of Shiba Inu Coin, and it was just a very good obviously dip buy, but he made this purchase when we were down here in the 33 to 34 area yesterday, and then we saw a bull flag breakout that I predicted in yesterday's videos, and now we see this price action that we're seeing now. But we're going to go over that technical analysis at the end. I just wanted to point out whales are buying, and when whales buy, we should be buying. That is what I like to follow. When a big Ethereum whale especially buys Shiba Inu Coin, I tend to buy as well, just because if you're willing to put $2 million into a coin, then you are most likely expecting it to go up, and you can possibly even know more than the average person, because as we know, the crypto markets aren't fair, the stock market isn't fair, but we are able to see things such as these transactions to see when people are loading up on a coin, and they loaded up on the coin yesterday and came up on a quick bag, so that's really good to see for them. And I mean, if you're like me, you saw this, you bought, and hopefully you could buy now as well if you think the Shiba Inu Coin will go up as well. But I'm not a financial advisor, don't listen to me. Now we can come here to Travala.com, see that Shib token won the token battle on Travala, so now ticker symbol Shib is now listed as a payment method on Travala.com. Actually, I just noticed Travala.com, which is a verified Twitter account, spelled method twice. Crazy. On Travala.com to book over 3 million travel products worldwide. So what does this mean? It adds to the utility of Shiba Inu Coin. First, we're being accepted as a payment option on AMC, then came Newegg, now comes Travala.com, which is going to be the next business to accept Shiba Inu Coin. I don't know, but I'm extremely excited to find out. But you guys can go here if you're traveling in the future. You're able to pay for your flight and different travel products on here with Shiba Inu Coin. So that is an extremely cool thing to definitely see, and is one of the many pieces of news that has come out today. The next piece of news I want to go over is actually the whole Bitmart situation. So if you guys weren't aware, basically Bitmart was hacked for $200 million. Now this hack included people's Shiba Inu Coin, Saitama, Binance, and other like 20 other altcoins as well. So basically, cryptocurrency exchange Bitmart said that it will use its own funds to compensate users who were affected by a large-scale data breach in which hackers were able to steal almost $200 million worth of cryptocurrencies on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain blockchains. So yeah, basically, Bitmart said that the security breach was mainly caused by a stolen private key that affected 2 of its hot wallets, while the other assets were safe and unharmed. But the really good thing to see here is that the Shib people who were wronged, the other altcoin people who are holding in Bitmart were wronged, and they probably will never go back to Bitmart. But Bitmart is making right for them, and they are paying out of their own pocket to replace all of the cryptocurrencies that were stolen. So that is a very good thing to see here, that Bitmart's making right on this, but they probably will go out of business just because a hack like this you can't really recover from. They say they're making, they say that they're going to make right on this and that this won't happen again, but who knows? Maybe a hacker can find another way in, and Bitmart isn't very secure. I'm not sure, but at least they're making right for the Shib investors and also other cryptocurrency investors. Next up, we're going to have something from Ask the Doctor on Twitter. Basically, Ask the Doctor promises to burn 2 billion Shib tokens when they hit 50k Instagram followers. I believe this is around $100,000, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. But the fact that they are going to burn this many Shib definitely means that Ask the Doctor is with the Shib movement. He has this business has actually changed their profile picture to Shiba Inu Coin. They say that they have been accepting Bitcoin since 2015 as a form of payment. So this is a very progressive, obviously, Twitter account, and now they're accepting Shib and really getting with the Shib community. So definitely try to get this guy to 50,000 followers on Instagram. This is something very, very cool to see from just a regular guy who runs a business, and he is really helping out our community here and the Shib army in general. So another good thing to see here. Yeah, now let's go over the global crypto market. We can see the global crypto market sitting at about 2.37 trillion. That's a 4% increase over the last day. Bitcoin's up over $50,000 and Ethereum sitting at about $4,300, while Shiba Inu Coin is down here up 6%. We are climbing up on AVAX. AVAX is currently barely up while we're up 6%. They're currently at a $22 billion market cap. Dogecoin at about 23. We're at a $20.4 billion market cap. One thing I don't like to see is that the volume's at $2 billion, $2.06 billion. I would like to see this volume kind of uptick, as we can see here on the historical data. Over the past 2 days, we've been at about $2.3 billion. I would like to see us get to the $3 to $4 billion range, so we can see a 10 to 12% increase from here. But yeah, now let's get into our technical analysis. So you can see here that we're gonna have support lines at both the 32 and the 40 area. If you guys didn't see my videos yesterday, we correctly charted out this bull flag breakout, and we actually talked about this in our live stream. So if you guys want to see our live stream, we will be going live at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today, and we'll be going over a live news and technical analysis breakdown of Shiba Inu Coin. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys get notified of that. But overall, the RSI is currently sitting at about 49, so we could be seeing a breakout to the resistance line of 40 right now, which would be about 8 to 12% gain, which I would really like to see the volume go up to see if we can break that resistance at the 40 as well. Currently we're trending down on the MACD, but we're looking like possibly starting to trend back up. It's really going to matter what happens in the next couple of hours, but we will be talking about that on the live stream as well as in future videos today, so stick around for that technical analysis as well. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the video and help us hit our like goal of 500 likes on this video. I know we can do it. We've done it before. We can do it again. Let's hit that like goal of 500 likes. If you have not already, like the video. Make sure you guys comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have. Get your free stock with that first link in the description as well. But my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.